excited for your vacuum?
Yes.
Oh man, you definitely are my son, huh?
Yes.
You like to clean?
Yes.
I don't like to clean, but I like to be clean. But
I can't believe it. Ooh, there's apple things like this.
ooh, that's the instructions.
You have to build the thing? Yeah, we do. That's part of the fun.
Yeah?
Yeah. Kind of boring of the fun.
No, it's not boring. Huh, Rai likes it. Yeah, Rai, you're good. What's that? Oh, okay. That's the top of the vacuum, which you could use for, it's this
there's
part, the
one more
handle.
thing.
There's one more thing.
Yeah. Make that now one last one. That's kind of hard.
It was kind of hard.
Yeah.
Whew! Broke a sweat, huh? Can you not break my new vacuum?
I'm not. I just saw the eye of the stuff.
Oh, you got it, boy. You got it. It's okay. You got it. All right. So I helped you out, Rai. Now this is the whole vacuum. It's pretty easy. Look. I love it. I wanted a simple vacuum
Okay.
and powerful. Now we got to put it to the test and see if it's powerful, okay?
Yeah, you got
And
the
then-
instructions.
Okay, Ryan's gonna show us the instructions. All right, good job, Ryan.
Now,
Okay.
now you must look at the other part.
Oh, okay.
What
Okay, good job. Now
No,
let's
this-
get
this-
started. This is the vacuum that we picked.
Now we have to figure out
Shark Rocket. Rocket. Now we're gonna put it together and see how it works, okay?
Why is there a bus?
Ryan, look. Give it a thumbs up.
Please.
All right, so it's
This is the bottom of it for all of the things can get in.
yeah, that's the bottom of it. Okay, where's the top of it?
Right here?
Good job. That's gonna be the top, and then the whole handle, the long stick.
Is this thing?
Good job, Ryan.
Is that?
All right. Thank you for showing us the new vacuum.
Oh, boom sakalaka, someone got a tractor. Yes, Mom.
Ryan, where do you get this stuff from?
FTTV.
Oh, okay.
And Mom, look.
What?
Are you proud of me?
I'm very proud of you. You're a good boy. You're like, you're handy.
Yeah.
You're handy manny.
Woo.
Good job.
Woo. What is
Did you get it in? Oh, I heard it click. Good job. Oh, yeah.
Oh, wait, the other side. The other side? No, this side. Maybe, yeah. Maybe this. No, that's not part of it.
It's not?
No.
Let's check it out. Wow, what do you think we should do next?
I don't know.
Woo, you got it working, Ryan. Man, now that's boom shakalaka.
Yeah, sunscreen. I need this one. This one. Okay, boy.
Ooh, it even has a light. Oh, I like that. You gotta slow down.
This
you only need the little handle. You just use the handle and you vacuum in the little sides where you can't reach with the vacuum. I love this vacuum. It's a little different holding it like a regular vacuum because the heavy part is on top. But I kind of like it. See this? If you don't need that whole vacuum, you just hold on to this and you use the part that Ryan's vacuuming with. I like that. You're gonna have a new chore, Ryan. Good job.
Leave this. I don't want any more.
Awesome. Hey, Ryan, look, give it a thumbs up. You like it?
Yes, I
You like it. So we love the new vacuum. Hope you enjoyed this video.
did.